Hi everyone, welcome back. I just wanted to make today's video to share some exciting news, and it's that the channel has hit 1,000 subscribers. And that means a lot to me. It's a big deal, and it couldn't have happened without all of you that really took a chance on this channel early and made it happen. So thank you so much for that. Also, the news came 1 to 2 days before my birthday, so that was a really nice early birthday present. And as you can tell from the title of this video and the thumbnail and even probably the channel icon at this point, we have a new logo for the channel, and it's replacing the old one, which was always a placeholder. So it just stuck around a little longer than it should have, but we have a new one and I really like it. I hope you like it as well. Also, I appreciate all the likes and comments that people have been giving. I read all your comments and I try and respond to any questions you have. If I'm a little bit late to respond, it's usually because I'm working, right? Or if I missed it, just send another question or something and I'll try and catch up on that one. Yeah, that's it. Lots more content is on the way. I'm just finishing up some titles and graphics for the channel, and more tutorials are coming for games, ArcViz, VR, and I think that's it. So until next time, this is Digital Dreambox, your destination for game art.